Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay, things looking interesting today. Back up in the green again. We like it. Okay, we've got a poll coming up tonight, and the question is, I've just realised that the FFIE Faraday Future Intelligent Electric earnings is actually much later this evening. In fact, it's at 6:30 Central Time, 7:30 Eastern Time. So I'm going to ask you whether you'd like me to cover it or not. So we're going to put a poll in here. So would you like the FFIE earnings tonight? It's a bit later than I first thought it was. So if you would, yes or no, and I'd like to see who would like me to cover that tonight. Okay, let me just have a check around the studio a second. Yeah, same thing again. This seems to keep happening at the moment. Let's fix this. No idea why this is doing it. Okay, there we go. So, if you would like me to cover the FFIE earnings, let me know. And I'm running a poll right now to see if you want me to cover it. Hey, everyone. Too late for me. It is quite late. But there seems to be quite a bit of interest in it. This is the Faraday Future Intelligent Electric. So, I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll do a poll on Twitter as well. So here it is. It's FFIE. Would you like me to cover the FFI? I better do that as a hashtag. FFIE, which is Faraday Future. Yeah, Faraday. I'll just put that, Faraday. Just doing a little poll here to see if anybody wants me to cover it. I've never seen an earning so late. I wasn't planning on doing something so late, but if I've got a big enough interest in it, I will. Future intelligent. Intelligent. Can't believe to spell intelligent right now. There we go. Intelligent electric. Seems a good concept. Anyway, tonight. There we go. Let's do a poll. Okay. Let's run a poll. Would you like me to cover the FFI Future Faraday earnings, electric earnings tonight? Okay, here we go. Add a poll. Yes or no, just for today. Okay. Always add another one. Don't care, because some people don't mind. I'll put undecided. There you go, undecided. You can see me posting this now. Look, all right. Would you like me to cover the FFIE Faraday Future Intelligent Electric earnings tonight? Okay. Yes or no? I'll post that out. Only because it's so late. I was going to do it. Then I realised how late it was. And I thought I don't think anyone's going to want to go. Anyway, copy link to post. There you go. So there you go. Twitter poll. There we go. I'll put it in the chat for you now. See what everybody says. There you go. Twitter poll. All right. Let's see what everyone says to that. Okay. If you want me to, I will, if we get an overwhelming majority. But I'll have to see how it goes. Okay, I'll give it to my audience watching on Rumble as well. those on TikTok, if you want to vote in our poll, if you want to see Faraday Future Intelligent Electric tonight, let me know. I'll give it to all my members on Rumble as well. There you go. So let's go back to it and see. But it's an interesting stock, no question about that. But it's had, how many votes has it had so far? Had one vote saying yes, so we'll see. All right. Good morning, everyone. Hey, hello, everyone. Hi, Joe, Mike. It's too late for me, HT said. Yeah, it's unusual. Raman says yes. Martin, SPC will pop like a pimple while we are while we are sleeping. Well, we've got institutions, some buying it and some selling it, so it's a mixed bag. I have around 5,000 shares in it, but too late for me. You really want to hear what they have to say, though. That's the thing. If you're involved in it, anyway. Niels, hello. Penny stock worth taking a risk on. Okay. Well, we learned we got our hands burnt with Mullen and other stocks like that, which I'm moving away from. I have to say, I'm moving now more into quality stocks because the things that make you so much money, to be perfectly honest, or can make you money, end up, when they go against you, they take the profits you've made from other things. So you end up. You'd have been much better just buying a quality stock like Tesla, to be perfectly honest. But I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. I'll see if anybody wants me to cover it. Okay. Looking around the studio, making sure everything's all well and good. Okay, so let's go for our positions today. We still haven't got NXU is up today. NXU is up 5.3%, 20 cents now. We're in the green. Only just by literally the smallest amount, 0.02. Virgin Galactic is pushing up. Mullen, we want to get out of this. We're up 0.16% today. I mean, it's nothing at all. It's rubbish. Absolute trash. I want to get out of this. I don't think I'm ever going to get out of it. I'm down 91%. Can't believe it. And, of course, everybody else is going to get out of it. So it's just never going to get out of this situation. But it is what it is. Palantir up today. Gold up. The S&P up very nicely today. Amazon. Apple. NEE. Trying to push up. Enphase. Coca-Cola. J&J. Kenvue. Still haven't got any positions there yet. We're still showing... on our trading position, we're still showing, look, J&J is J&J ZZZ. Can you see it at the bottom? 8 shares there. So it's interesting. Kenvue, Chevron, Tesla. Had a great day today. $230 again now. Really, really good. It's climbed now... up to date, 6.79. Still down on the month and the week and everything else, but that's a big rally today. And the reason for that was the S&P cybersecurity giant soars on earnings. Tesla and Nvidia are big winners. Private equity firm rises 45% since pulling out of Elon Musk's Twitter buyout. Meta threads compared to, hang on a minute, there was some news earlier I saw that, I forget what it was now. What's this one here say? Let's have a look at this. Private equity firm rises 47% since pulling out of Elon Musk's Twitter buyout. Shares broke out of a cut base at a buy point of 74.63 in mid-June, became... Whoopsie, Daisy, get rid of that. Trying to see how this would affect Tesla today. It's not really a Tesla news, but anyway, should be, but it's not. Okay, not going to focus on that right now. What about this one here? S&P cybersecurity giant soars on earnings. Tesla, Nvidia are big winners. The S&P rose 0.7 Monday afternoon, even off 10-year Treasury yield jumped to a 15-year high through... though the market's breadth was not impressive, the Nasdaq buoyed Buy PANW stock Moderna, Tesla, and Nvidia jump 1.6. Both remain below their 50-day moving averages. While the market remains in a correction, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq are in a 2-day of stock market rally attempt. Okay, have we got any reason why Tesla is moving today? Let's have a look. Moderna, we know why Moderna might be moving. Oh, here we go. Tesla stock raised 6.9% higher to 230. A Baird analyst noted buzz around the upcoming Tesla Cybertruck and updated Model 3. Despite ongoing margin pressures, Tesla, which is ridiculous really, because no other company has a margin like it. Tesla stock snapped a 6-day losing streak and remains below its all-moving averages after tumbling from a 2023 high of 299 just before the Q2 earnings report. So it's basically news around the Cybertruck, but we already know that. So this isn't new information. For those of you that know the stock well, you know all about what's happening with the Tesla Cybertruck, but that's why I'm staying in. But I'm glad it's going up, though. Let's have a look. Sound. SOUN is a good one. HT. Thank you very much, HT. Become a member of our channel and I can review your stocks. You can share links. You can call in. You can be all part of it. But I'd love to get your thoughts, okay? Anyway. Tia Roll, hi there. How you doing? Fibonacci, if you had a couple of grand in your savings account, regular bank, would now be a good time to buy Tesla? Or do you think the next month Tesla will be down and waiting is safe? Just asking for an opinion, not advice. Well, I mean, at the end of the day, I have bought and have been buying, and I'm down 15%. If I had cash on hand right now, I would be buying because I felt it was worth buying at 15% up, 272. 230s, absolutely. I just have the balance of my portfolio correct for where it is right now. But definitely, if I had a couple of $1,000 right now, would I be buying Tesla right now? Well, I wouldn't buy it today. I would have bought more at the beginning of the week because we know it's going to go up on the Cybertruck. But even though it's still a buy for me because I'm down 15%. I mean, I'm buying Tesla for being a 4x in 4 or 5 years. So of course it's still a buy. Is it the best buy? I don't know. But I'm down 15% on this position. I'm up on the other position, but I'm trying to get up to 100 shares of Tesla. I've got 25 and 23 and a bit right now. Yeah, absolutely. But I just don't have any more money, or at least I don't want to sell other things to buy it right now because I need a balanced portfolio. But I'm up 15% on one position and down 15% on the other. But so I suppose, I guess overall, well, not really. That doesn't really equate to a wash. But yeah, I would buy it now if I wasn't already in it. I just would have bought it earlier in the week, early last week. That's all. One more live stream by Mr. Lucas today. Fantastico. T.O. Roll. Have we got a poll voting yet? 19 votes. Okay, so it looks like 12 of you or 13 of you are saying yes. Would you like the FFIE earnings tonight? It's a bit later, that's why I asked. Gonna watch this one. Okay. Hey, hello. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. HT, cool. I am. There are many other perks, HT, with being a member. That's just one of many, many reasons why members are perks here on the channel. I am waiting economy. Economy going down. Tesla. Does it look like biotech is making a comeback? Some names up a lot today. It's not really my thing, to be honest. Too risky. Maybe the sector is oversold, says T.O. Roll. I think Tesla is, in my opinion, Tesla's oversold. It does what it always does. It pumps on earnings and then sells off. That's essentially what's happened, and that's what happens all the time. Okay, Virgin Galactic's trying to come up today. Virgin Galactic really does seem now to have reached some kind of bottom. If we go, look. Look at it over a year, or at least year to date. It's not gone down that much, has it? I mean, we're at 281. I don't know. I mean, it's still trending down, but it seems to be slowing down to me. I mean, for the last month now, we've been going sideways. I don't know. I think there's, and when you look at it over the week, I mean, that's not really worth looking at over the week, of course. But I don't know. I just feel that we are near the bottom now of Virgin Galactic, but that's only my opinion. Anyway, let's go through all our positions. We still haven't got any news from J&J. It's just going sideways. Kenview, it's all going sideways until the deal goes through. Delph, hello, good afternoon. Maybe the sector is oversold to Tizro. Okay. Bought some extra NEE today. Very nice indeed. That's a big position for me. I'm down 10%. I'm down 10% on both positions. But yeah, good. Good for you. Don't forget, I think you're just in time, actually. You've got another couple of days to go, haven't you, for the ex-dividend date. Let me check the ex-dividend date for you. I think it is NEE. Let me search for it right now. I think you've got another couple of days. So now is a good time. Let's have a look. NEE. You need to be in on the stock. Declared 29th of August. 8 days for 46.7. 46.7 per share you're going to get, which has been the same for the last 3 quarters. 2 quarters, I beg your pardon. So it's up. It's risen from where was it? 35 cents, 38 cents, 42 cents. It was 140 cents back in 2020. But it's risen since then. Anyway, NEE is a bottom or close enough for the year. But with the dividend payouts, remember, it's got a really good dividend payout as well. It's not just a growth stock. So it's got that extra benefit, no question about it. That's why I bought some extra. Thanks, Martin. Yeah, you've only got 8 days to go. So you're going to do, it's going to go up between now and then. It's the date actually is the 29th of August. That's when the stock needs to be settled. Remember, depending on your brokerage, it'd be a couple of 2 or 3 days. So, you've got 8 days. So you need to be in, this week before the end of the week. Anyway, there we go. Inbounds here. How are you? Good afternoon. We're green again, looking good. We're not beating the market though, unfortunately. Our Virgin Galactic is just falling off, and but the reason why, I just want to say, the reason why I'm not beating the market, I actually am beating the market right now, even though you're looking at it going, you're down. I'm below the market. The reason is because those J&J shares are still invisible. They've been taken off. They're sleeping at the moment. Literally, it's called J&J ZZZ. They are sleeping, ready to go into Kenview today. I'm hoping it will be at the end of the bell, or it may be, of course, tomorrow morning. I don't know. But there's like $3,000 missing from my account. So I'm actually beating the market. It just doesn't look like that. Anyway, we shall see what happens when it happens, I guess. Not much more to say about it, is there? So we're running a poll right now whether I should cover the earnings tonight for FFIE, which is Faraday Future Intelligent Electric. No one's doing this stock. I'm the only one really doing it, and I noticed that I got a lot of views when I put the video out about it, so I wanted to know if anybody wanted me to cover it. So it is slightly later. It's 6:30 Central, 7:30 Eastern Time, so it's a bit later than normal, but it's an interesting stock. A lot of people are interested in it. So anyway, we shall see. Rio Tinto is doing well today. Bitcoin is still, we believe, going down to 15,000. Polygon, XRP, Enphase, Coca-Cola, J&J, Kenview, Chevron, Tesla still running. We're up to 7% now, still running. Having a very, very good day. 7% in a day. Very nice. Virgin Galactic falling off again. You got to turn on the alarm clock for ZZZ. Yeah, look at it. Look, J&J. Let me show you what I mean by that. Zach say, if you look over here, it's become J&J ZZZ. Virgin Galactic chart would suggest it's reached a new low support level. Very interesting to see if it bounces or continues to drop, says Jojo S. Who knows where it's going before the next flight? It's a huge gamble, isn't it? It's a huge gamble. Nobody knows. It's hard to read it because we've had a lot of institutions buy it, but we've also had institutions dump it. So it's hard to tell. You got to decide what you believe in right now. So 64% is saying yes. Just when you're voting, please vote because you are prepared to join me. It's 6:30 Central, 7:30 Eastern time. AMC, awful day again. I won't touch AMC. I think it's rubbish. It's a rubbish company. It's like Bed Bath & Beyond. Don't know why anyone would buy it. 214, maybe the Tesla bottom, says inbound. We see it going lower, but that doesn't mean to say you shouldn't buy it though. It's if you're looking at it as a long-term position, which is what I am. I think the Tesla Cybertruck, and over the weekend I was learning about Foldable as well. Foldable is another business that's been acquired by Tesla. It will benefit Tesla. It's a house where you can pop it all up in a day. A foldable house. It was very interesting. I looked at it, and it will benefit Tesla shareholders. So another revenue stream for Tesla. Anyway, things are moving up very quickly on my portfolio. We're still green. We're just being let down by Virgin Galactic a bit at the moment. Other than that, everything's looking quite good. Mullins awful. I can't wait to get out of these. The trouble is I don't think I'm ever going to be able to get out of it because the moment that goes up, everyone's going to dump it. It's never going to go up and just stay up, is it? If that went up 30% in a day, it would just drop again. So I don't know how I'm going to get money out of it. And I did some research over the weekend, and I discovered that that a lot of people have said, evidence has suggested that Dave Mitchery has done this many times before. Let's have a look. Stock Don says, with regard to Virgin Galactic, let's see what Stock Don just wrote here. You're delusional to be in the stock unless you're hoping for a short squeeze. As far as fundamental, this is about Virgin Galactic. The $2.80 is well above the worth of the company. Be responsible and tell your viewers to get out. Even with the best case scenario for them, they're not close to being successful, I think he means. Be responsible. I find people who make comments like that ridiculous. I'm not responsible for my viewers and what you do. I don't give financial advice at all. I put my money where my mouth is. Whatever. Be responsible and tell your viewers to get out. I'm not here to tell people what to do. So, Stock Don, I appreciate your comment, but I'm not here to tell people what they can and cannot do. That'd be ridiculous. Anyway. Mullins going back down again. Still holding green with just over half an hour to go. And you're saying, yes, you would like me to cover it. FFIE. So like 14, 15 of you so far. If it stays a majority, I will cover it. I've never done one so late as that. But if you want me to and you're going to watch it, I will. The S&P is going up 0.7. Nice rally today. Amazon doing very well. Apple, great. NEE slowly coming up. Enphase, Coca-Cola, J&J, Kenvue, just going sideways. No one can do anything really with the stock, can they? They don't know what's going to happen. Tesla's still running 7% up now. Let me check my Bloomberg feed. Any news coming in? Let's have a look on the poll we're running here. If you could vote on it, please. So the reason why I want you to vote for it on Twitter is because it'll get out to more people. Doing it on the channel is only for you guys watching. But if we can get this, if you can vote on this poll, there's the link right there. If you can vote on the poll on Twitter, it'll share it out and I can see if other people are interested. But 40% said yes, 20% said no, and the other 40% are undecided. They don't, in other words, they don't care. So the majority is saying vote, doing yes. Bloody Mullen. First Model 3 comes off production line, but doesn't look much like a production line in my opinion. In any case, only 75 million of supposed purchase orders. If they perform, they are cheap. Could go. Well, what do you think? I'm just holding my position. I mean, it's to the point now. It's obvious. Why would I sell? I mean, I'm down $600. My only concern, Jojo, is if it does get any kind of good news, it would have to go a long, long way. I mean, my average is 762. I mean, it's, if it went to $2, everybody would go mad and dump it, right? It's never going to get it's never going to get to 762, is it? I mean, 91% down. I mean, it's crazy. And I cannot bring myself to buy it. I cannot. I mean, I could double my position and half my average, by spending $54. Literally, I could spend $54 and half my loss. I just feel I'm throwing money down the toilet. I can't do it. I won't do it. So, I'm just going to have to lose that money, I think. Hello again, says Niels. How are you? Does anyone think Mullen has got anything in it? I mean, all the research I've done just leads to a total corrupt company. Band of thieves. That's awful. Anyway, NEE going up. N-phase. Let me go and check my Bloomberg feed now. See if City Mulls breaking up institutional client businesses. Let's have a look. The Dow Jones is up 0.01, S&P is up 0.76, Nasdaq up 1.63, the Russell's up 0.04. Stephen, I will probably listen in at 5:30 Eastern if you do it. If you do it, it's actually at 7:30 Eastern. That's the trouble. That's why I'm asking everyone. It's 7:30 Eastern, 6:30 Central. It's the latest one I've ever done. That's why I'm asking if you want me to do it. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. I am still waiting to sell all of my 1,200 shares of Matador at 63, paid 47. Yeah. I feel I've got no chance. Did everyone hear about Russia's Luna 25 lander? It failed to enter pre-landing orbit. It ended up crashing into the moon. I mean, on one side of it, I feel like great. All right, but the other side, aren't we a little bit like? Shouldn't we be a little bit concerned about all the junk in space? Human beings are crashing now into the moon. We got bits and bobs flying everywhere. We got crap everywhere. I mean, the first thing we need to do is arrive on the moon and go, right, we need to clean up some rubbish. Yeah, okay, like we're going to do that. It's just, I don't know. We've made a mess of Earth, and now we can go and mess up. Now we can go and mess up the moon as well. I don't know. That wasn't the moon a pristine place. Hi, Martin. Here's Raval. Raval, how are you? Lovely to see you. What do you think? What do you think about? How do you feel today about the Russian rocket crashing into the moon? Are you upset about it? Are you disappointed? I mean, what about all the rubbish flying around everywhere? What do you think? How are you, Raval? God bless you. Thank you very much. So I don't know. What do you think, Ravel? Was you disappointed? Was you upset about that when you heard about it? What do you think? I don't know. That's good. Good, bro. What's good? It's good it crashed or what? What is it you think about that? You're Russian, right? What do you think about the ship crashing into the moon? What's your thoughts on it? I'd like your thoughts on it, particularly Ravel, particularly as you're from Russia. What do you think? It's fine as long as the Martians don't call in to complain. Yeah, exactly. It's just not right, though, is it? We've got to be responsible as human beings, right? We're just crashing into the moon and leaving rubbish everywhere. I don't know. Oh man, I don't know where we're going. Do you? As a species, going around the universe, throwing rubbish everywhere. I don't know. Doesn't sound very good to me. The S&P going up again. Amazon still going up. Apple still going up. NEE pushing up. Enphase trying to go up. Coca-Cola. Now, of course, we've got that big buyback scheduled, but it's a kind of strange one. It's supposed to be a buyback once it gets to 156, I think it is. Don't understand why the stock has to go up before you buy back. I'm a bit confused by that. No one's ever told me why. Coca-Cola, J&J going sideways now. We're waiting for the Kenvue deal to go through. Chevron, Tesla, up to date, 6.79. Rivian, McDonald's. McDonald's is a buy by the way. If I add money to the moon and stay there. McDonald's is a buy. As far as I'm concerned, it's a buy. 157. Thank you for that, Niels. Very good memory, by the way. Have you written that down? Anyway, McDonald's is a good buy. Down 2.83. I always like buying McDonald's when it goes down. Absolutely good buy. Google. I've saved 6% from where I sold it. But right now, it's about bringing money in. One-way ticket to the moon, says Zaxate. Tesco. Tilray. Aren't you glad you got out of Tilray? I completely sold my position out of Tilray. I think that move to buy all those breweries was a bad idea. I got out of all of it. I'm really glad I did. I've got marker shares. That's it. Marker shares. Not worth anything at all now. I don't think I want to buy it. Everyone got very excited by all of that. I thought it was a bad move, and I sold my position, and I'm glad I did. Anyway, Robinhood improving today. IonQ up 6.71. Rocket Labs also up today, 0.51. Plug Power up 2.95. Procter & Gamble just going sideways, really. Rumble not doing much. Funware still down 63% out of this one. I don't own any shares really to make any difference anyway. Just make a difference. FFIE, this one, I'm down 30% on it. Okay, so our poll is nearly 18 of you, I believe that is. 18 of you said yes, do it. 67%. It is later, 6:30 Central, 7:30 Eastern, but we do have a poll. I wasn't going to go that late, but 66% are saying yes on Twitter as well. So it does seem to have some interest. So thank you very much indeed. Let's hope we get a good audience for it then. I wasn't going to do one that late, but I will if you want me to. Jojo S. Methinks our stock market efforts are equivalent to rearranging the deck chairs on the Titanic. The bigger picture, in the immortal words of Dad's Army, we're all doomed. That's a good way of putting it. Is the equivalent to rearranging the deck chairs on the Titanic. Yeah, we need to tidy these chairs up. Yeah, but we're going to sink. Don't worry about that. we're gonna go down. We're gonna go down with tidy deck chairs. Yeah, but you do realise when we start sinking, everything's gonna go flying everywhere. No, doesn't matter. We are tidying up the deck. Oh, okay. If I'm the Russian spaceship, I'm not sure I would like to get back to Russia, said Zaxay. Well, I don't know. I've got no thoughts on this one, I'm afraid. Bruce Lee, Enphase, wording on buyback. Had sale parameters made me believe special treatment to those they choose to buy the shares back from, i.e. insiders. Bruce Lee, I don't understand that. Enphase wording on the buyback had sale parameters made me believe special treatment to those they choose to buy the share backs from, i.e. insiders. Okay. But you can't choose who you buy the shares from. Can you? You can't choose. I mean, you can't choose who you buy the stocks from. You just go on the market like we do here, right? I mean, can anyone tell me that? I don't think anyone can buy the stocks from anyone specifically. I don't think that's possible, is it? Deck chairs, oh, hello, too funny. Yes, I agree. Stephen Lewandowski agrees with that. That's a good one, that. I'll give you that one. Anyway, 20 minutes to go. It looks like we are going to do the Faraday Futures Electric tonight. I wasn't going to do it, but then I thought to myself, okay, I will ask everybody and let's see what everyone says. So it does look like we're going to do it. So let me give everybody the... In fact, I don't need to, do I? I don't need to. You'll all find it, won't you? So in 20 minutes, we'll end the stream, okay? In 20 minutes, we'll end the stream. It's not there now because I took it off. Okay? It's not there, look. I took it off. So in 20 minutes, we'll end the stream. I'll put it back on the upcoming live streams, and it will be here in the upcoming live streams. All right? So I'll set it up. I will set it up. There are some cross-trade sometimes, though, between funds. I've got no idea. I've never got no experience on that at all. Read the report again. Bruce Lee. Bruce, if you could become a member of my channel, it's not so I get $2 a month out of you. It's not that. It's so we can verify your account and you can be access all the benefits and features. If you are a member of our channel, you can send in links via Discord, and I'd love to... get the information from you, share it, make a video on it. There's many things that we can do for our members that we can't do for guests of the channel. And I'd love the information that you've got on what you mean by that. Bypassing the open market. Okay. That's something new on me. We're always learning. Okay. Let's see then if I can set this up then. Let's see if I can set this up. I'll do it for you now if I can. So FFIE stock earnings. Let's put it in. Let's see if I can set it up for you. There you go. Let's see if I can set this up. Okay. Now then, it looks like... Let me check the time of this. 6:30. Here we go. Grab this information. I'm setting up the stream for you so we can cover it. And hope everybody will join me for it. Otherwise, I'm going to be very upset tomorrow morning. 21st. Now, I'm pretty sure... It's at 6. In fact, I've already checked. 6:30. Yeah, 6:30. So we need to go live at 5:45. 5:45. All right. So I'm going to put today 5:45 Central Time. Could be interesting. A lot of people are interested in it. 5:45 p.m. Here we go. Just setting this up for you. And you can jump straight in and book your ticket. Book your ticket. Let's see if how many people actually do it. Okay, thumbnail images. Faraday. Here we go. Earnings live. Here we go. And 5:45. That's when we'll cover it. Okay. August 21st, 5:45 p.m. Okay. All right, I'm creating the event. How is the music looping doing, and how close are you to 10,000 subscribers? Hope your music is good. I have lots of vacations. Hope your music is good. I have lots of vacations coming up. What do you mean by vacations coming up? What's that got to do with the music? I'm not sure what you mean. Why have you bought FFIE? No, I have a small position. But I'm asking if anybody wants me to cover it because it's later. Is that 11:45 UK time? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, it is. Jojo S. It's late for it's late for our European audience. No question about it. Yes, it is. Correct. It's very late for you. I don't know why the earnings is so late. I've never had one so late, but it is what it is. And there it is. So what can I say? Right, here it is. All right. So if I refresh the screen, it should, by magic, appear. And there it is. Right, so let's see who wants to go. Now you got to put your money where your mouth is. You said to cover it. You said to cover it. So we're gonna do it now. So here we go. So FFIE earnings tonight. Okay. Right, I'll give you the link now. There you go. FFIE earnings tonight. Right. I will make a video at the end of this show. In fact, I'll try and do it now, actually. There we go. I'll give it you twice so you can see it. Let's pin it. There you go. Let's see if anyone clicks on it and says, all right, I'm coming. Who's going to be the first person to leave a comment? I'm going to go hi all. There you go. So there it is. That's when we're going to do it. Is that just a hype stock, or is there a reason you've bought it? I was just interested by the website and the concept of the vehicles. That looks very, very futuristic. Too late for me. No, I understand, Jojo S. I totally get it. It's can't loop. Oh, I see. You can't loop on a holiday. No, absolutely. You need to be out there enjoying yourself. But I have lots of vacations coming up. Yeah, how far away from 10,000 subscribers? Oh, a long way to go. We're at 5,500. So got like 4,500 to go. So we got quite a way to go. Quite a bit. But yeah, I'm trying my best to get it to move. I'm doing my best. Anyway. We've got 15 minutes to go. So let me do a video on it. We are green. The studio's green. I'll be watching Loudwork. Hey, Loudwork. Here he is. We missed you. We were all hoping you would join us for the phone in. Here he is, Loudwork. This guy's great. He's an artist, by the way. He does T-shirts and paintings. Really good. And Loudwork. We were all hoping that you would join us for our second phone in. He was great the first week. Unfortunately, he didn't make it. We hope to have you next time because we thought you were great. Anyway, Loudwork, lovely to see you here. Always good. So let me make a quick video, which I can put out later. FFIE. We're green again. We're still holding green. Let's keep the studio looking green. We like it that way. FFIE. Faraday. Here we go. All right. Now then, here it is. Just holding. Cheers. Just been a busy week. Lots to track. No worries, mate. No worries. Loudwork's going to be watching. That's such a low price on Faraday, especially before earnings, debating to get in and can't decide how risky it is. I have to be honest. This is why I'm watching the earnings. I am like you. I don't know how risky it is. Is it another scam stock? Is it another Mullen? I don't know. I've got a very small position, but I'm not jumping in with another position just for the sake of it. But anyway. Faraday, I'm going to bring up the website, Faraday Future. Here we go. It's a really interesting concept. Cars look amazing. But again, what does it all mean? We don't know. So let's bring it up now. So let's do this. We're going to do it at the end of the show. So... we are 45 minutes in. 45 FFIE. Here we go. So, FFIE. All right. There we go. That looks all good to me. Right, here we go. So, join us tonight for the FFIE earnings, Faraday Future Intelligent Electric. Are you interested in this stock? I've been on the fence with it. I've made a small investment, but tonight we're going to learn more about it. And if I like it, I might jump in on it. Is this another new Tesla or is it another scam like Mullen? What do you think? Leave me your thoughts below. But we are going to cover the earnings tonight. This is it, Future Faraday Intelligent Electric. We're going to cover it tonight. I'll give you the link right now. The link, the broadcast is already set. If you want to join me for the live event, click above my head. That will take you to the earnings, and we'll listen in and we'll learn about the company, see what they have to say. But it's an interesting. I like what I see on the website. It looks interesting, but I don't know enough about the company, which is why we are hosting the earnings tonight. The car looks great, but again, we've seen images like this before on similar companies that go absolutely nowhere. But we will check it out. This is it. So if you'd like to join me tonight, once again, click above my head and join me for the earnings. If you go over here, you'll see our playlist. We have a full playlist of FFIE, and the earnings, I'm sure, will be added to that playlist. And down here for more content I think you might find interesting. Until later on tonight, do join us. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, I'll put that out at the end of the show in a few minutes. Faraday. Michael Anthony, JOB, and Ped just holding. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair is trending to 18 cents support level. Could be a good entry point. Where it is now, FFIE. Sorry, that's what I meant. I knew that's what you meant. I've been scammed trading Fair Day, but buying it at this low and then reselling it. Zed Hink, I've been scammed trading Fair Day. What do you mean you've been scammed trading it? Buying it at this low and then reselling it. Can you explain what you mean? What's your Instagram load work? I tried to find it and put a link in Discord general chit chat. Scalping. You've been scalping it. Okay, just bought Tesla. I hope I didn't just shoot myself in the foot, Fibonacci. I hope not as well. Will they have a proper call or just a press release? No, it's a proper call. That's what is advertised. That's what I'm expecting to hear. Yeah. I doubled my FFI position. I liked it before, and I still like it. You like it? Price went 19 to 27 after first quarter earnings on the 11th of May. It would be a gamble if I got in it now. 10 minutes to decide. Yeah, I mean, man. What would I sell if I was going to do it? What would I sell if I was going to do it? Let me have a quick look. What is worth selling? Not Virgin, not Mullen, not Palantir, not gold, not in it right now. The S&P, no. Amazon. You know, I just don't know enough. That's what the earnings is for. The earnings is to learn about this stock, and I'm not going to buy it. I'm not going to buy it. Okay. I quite like it too, Jojo. Don't know why price is so low. Let's have a look at the earnings. The earnings has been improving all the time. I mean, they've beaten on every earnings apart from this one, or they at least matched earnings. It's been improving all the way up. So it's an interesting one. It's being shorted. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if it's being shorted. In fact, I can find out if it's being shorted a minute. Let me just check a minute. Let me look on my investment a minute. It's, how do I own this one? I own it on my brokerage position. All right, let me have a look. Stock lending. Let's see if it's being shorted at all. Stock lending. View stock lending on my brokerage account. Yes, it is. It's being shorted out. I can actually see the stocks that are being shorted, and I can see my shares of Faraday are being shorted out. So yes, it's being shorted at this level, just like Mullen. So there you go. It's a risky one. It's a gamble. I've got to be honest. We've got 8 minutes to go. And what's everybody feel about it? Their prices bounce from their price bounced from 27 and then goes down at this price for the last 2 weeks, almost on a daily. Zed Hink. Let's have a look at the FFIE a minute. Hang on. Let's have a look at the level 2 FFIE. Let's have a look at the buying orders. Oh, okay. The order book is everybody. It's a huge weighted to everyone wants to buy at 19 cents. 14,000 at 20 cents. But then there's 11,000 at 20. So, yeah, look, 202,000 at 21. Look at that, 202,000 shares in the order book at 21 cents. 246. So it's, yeah, huge. It's a huge 300,000 at 20. 138 at 19. 21,000 at 19. But then the moment you buy it, they're dumping it. So it's a gamble, and I'm not a gambler. Sensei, good evening to you. Did you get my message? I'm sorry I couldn't get back to you today. I just couldn't get round to doing it today. That's what we talked about. I don't know. It seems a bit of a gamble to me. What does everybody else feel like? We got 5 minutes to go. It's one of those stocks, I feel like Mullen, it could do a reverse split, suddenly go to 90, and then straight back down to 20 again. And you end up, before you know it, 90%, 99% down again. If you think it's a gamble, you should go to the casino. Yeah, if you think it's a gamble, you should go to the casino. You mean what? Go for it? Have some fun on it? I don't know. Right, okay. We're going to wrap up the show. We are going to cover it. 63% of you have voted yes, so I will do it. I hope you'd all join me, because that's mine and Leah's time, but so many of you want it. It's a win-win, says Zach's 8. Tesla highest today. I mean, it is a full earnings call. That's what they've advertised. Now, when Mullen advertised this, they never showed up. Yes, I did. No worries. Did you want to call after the show or tomorrow? Sensei, I need to let you know. I don't want to let you down again by saying I can do it tonight if I can't. I've got to set this show up now. So let me message you when I'm 100% certain. Hi Delph, Binance has always been sketchy. Jojo has a good support at 18, so hopefully not going to tank on earnings. BNB has a long way to fall, says Sensei. Sensei, what's your thoughts on this? What's your thoughts on this Faraday Future Intelligent Electric? We're all looking at it, looking whether we're going to. Well, we are doing the earnings now. I've agreed to do it, so I will do it. We're running a poll, and the poll got 71% yes, do it. Okay, so looks like we're doing it. Okay, it's all scheduled. Now let's see if anybody has booked a ticket. Yes, 3 of you already have. So here's the earnings. There's the earnings. There's the link. All right, it's pinned to the top. Join us for that. 3 minutes ago, we're going to ring the bell. We're going to get out of here right on the bell. I've got to put this video out, and let's... here's the link. Look, there you go. We've got Mike, Niels, Malk, Mullen Automotive reserving my seat. Love it. Mullen Automotive Investors Club reserving my seat. That's cool. There you go. Stephen Lewandowski. I'll be there, here, watching Matador all night. Matador. Okay. Thank you, Stephen. All right. I'll be watching the earnings as well. You're already in because you didn't sell. Yeah. Correct. I'm already in, but I didn't add any more. All right. Okay. I feel like you're just buying into these stocks for traction, but I respect the game. I'm not buying into it. I've already got a position for a while ago, and I was just as a market share, really very small position. I just don't know. I put the link in Discord. Loud work. Is that to me or somebody else? Right. Let's get ready to ring the bell. Ring the Sensei bell, and let's get ready for the earnings tonight with FFIE. Thanks for all of you that voted. We are going to run it. We are going to do it. So, okay. Okay. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button. We've got 1 minute to go. Half of you haven't smashed the like button. Smash the like button. What's wrong with you? Here we go. Let's get ready for 1 minute countdown in 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. The Sensei bell. Let's ring it. If you want the link for Sensei services, look below the video and you'll find the link for Sensei services. If you go to our competition page, you'll find all the options there and the chances to win yourself some money. You can win yourself $204 in cash. No purchase necessary. We'll never contact you or send you an email or message or try to get you to buy anything. It's nothing. It's just there to help people and have some fun. All right. Okay, here we go. CNBC comparing Verizon to Tesla. CNBC. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Okay, here we go. A few seconds to go. Let's get ready. Countdown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell's gone. That is the end of today's show. And whoa, what is going on? All of a sudden, something has fell off a cliff. Let's have a look at what is moving right now. What's gone down? Virgin Galactic is flat on the after hours. Something's just dropped. Mullen's gone down again. Yeah, no surprise there. Palantir just down slightly on the after hours. Something in the S&P. Yeah, it is. The S&P has just dropped right on the bell. Gone down 0.5% in a second. Unbelievable. Look at that. Amazon hasn't dropped. Apple, where is it? Where is it? What's the drop? Enphase, no. Coca-Cola, no. J&J, no. What is it? Kenvue? No. Have I got my shares yet? Have I got my shares yet? Getting tired of this. You took my money out of my account. Where did it go? I want to see it sorted. I've still got those snoozing J&J stocks. Yep. Still got the snoozers. J&J, ZZZ. That's the ticker symbol. It must be Tesla. No, it's not. What has dropped in the after hours? Can't see what it is. What is it? What has dropped? Can't see what it is. Google, Microsoft, Walmart. Well, it's Robinhood glitch again. No, it wasn't a glitch, by the way. It wasn't a glitch. If you were with me this morning, I explained when it went down on Friday, that wasn't a charting error. That was my J&J stocks being removed from my portfolio and going into the J&J ZZZ ticker. That's a holding account for Kenvue. That's what happened. So no, it's Robinhood. It's Robinhood. Robinhood's gone down 0.5%. That's where a lot of it's come from. But no, that's what happened. So there's not a charting error. There's not an issue. But my portfolio's hardly moved. It's just the S&P has dropped. That's all it is. Rumble. I wanted to see what stocks inside the S&P though, but can't see it. Future Faraday is up on the after hours, 1.24%. Nothing can move the S&P like that. It's gone back up again now. Just a blip. Nothing can move the S&P, says Niels, and it's a Robinhood glitch again. I don't think so. Anyway. It's gone back to where it was, so we're fine. Okay, let's wrap up today's show. I've got to get ready then for the Faraday earnings. Got some work to do on that one, and so I'm going to put that together. Got the video to make, the short to make, a bit of work to do on that to get that all done. Thank you for those that voted on it. Thank you so much indeed. 14 votes. 49 to go, by the way. 49 to go to 1,000 followers on Twitter. Very exciting. I started with nothing just a year or so ago, so I'm quite excited about that. Rumblers, let me calling on you. How are you all this afternoon? Good stuff. Right. I think we'll get off. We'll do a very, very quick day trader of the day. Let's see where everybody is, and let me go and set up Faraday. So down 0.12, hardly at all. Let's put a minute on the clock. Everybody, nice and quick, because I've got to get and do this. 50 seconds to go. S&P is coming up. Mullen, Palantir, gold. The S&P, Amazon going back up. Oh, nice little rally there from Amazon. Apple, NEE, Enphase, Coca-Cola, J&J, Kenvue. Still sleeping. I guess it'll be tomorrow morning now. Here we go. All right, we've got the scores coming in. I'm down 1.2. Sensei is down 3%. Let's have a look. 15 seconds to go. Who's going to win tonight? Tesla still going up now. Up in the after hours. Tesla still going up. Rivian. We've got an up. We've got an up. Not up or down, flat. Never had this happen to me. 0%. Well, it's happened today. Niels is in the lead. He's up 0.23. Jojo S down 0.3. Down 2.27. It looks like Niels is our winner. It looks like Niels is the winner. Fibonacci is down 1.3. Yep, I'm going to give it to Neil's up 0.23%. Well done indeed, Niels. Congratulations to you. Thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up and let's have the sound effects. All right. Very, very good indeed. Congratulations to you. Well done. McDonald's is still a buy for me. Very nice indeed. It's the hold average, isn't it? Always have cash on hand. But you see, if I had cash on hand, I would buy McDonald's today. So you'd never have cash on hand. That's the whole point. You never have cash on hand. Just the way it is. Congratulations, Niels. Lovely stuff. That's it from me. All right, now I'm going to get ready now for the FFIE earnings. I've got a video to put out about it, so bear with me as I prepare that information. But I've got to get that done. So that's it. Yeah, Niels, thank you very much indeed. Go, mate. Congratulations. All right, I'll see you all in a bit. Here is the link. Great stuff. We've got 4 waiting. We've got 4 likes and 2 waiting. Here's the FFIE earnings. See you back shortly with that in a couple of hours' time. In the meantime, that's it from me. So, the studio, unfortunately, has gone red again. Right on the bell, we're sort of red again. So, let's get back down there. Let's do the credits. I don't think we've got much to celebrate this afternoon, but we'll run it anyway. Stars of the show today, nothing. Rubbish. So I'm going to clear that away. Nothing to say today. Put that in the bin. Nothing to do. Good luck with the earnings. Thank you, Jojo S. I know it's late for you. I understand you can't come. It makes perfect sense. Bye as he bye, said Sensei. Thanks for popping in, mate. Thank you very much indeed. Good luck to everybody. We'll see you back in a bit. Welcome. Thanks to all our TikTokers who joined. Next time, join us on YouTube and you can be in our cash giveaway. We've got $204 to give away at the moment. It's free to enter, free for all. Click the profile up in here. Just come into YouTube and say, I'm from TikTok and I want to be in your free prize draw. We go live up to 10 hours a day, every day. It's free to enter. I'll never message you, never sell you anything, never send you a message, never follow you on TikTok. I'm just here to help people. So be very careful that you're following the correct version of me. There are over 100 on TikTok who pretend to be me. They're never live. They follow everybody, and they always message you scammy stuff. I never do any of that. That's it from me. Take care of yourselves, your money, your crypto, and each other. See you back.